Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is just an amazingly beautiful 1955 Austin-Healey BN1. This car has been completely restored, and in this video I'm going to take you around the car. I'm going to take you underneath the car, but first buckle up because I'm going to take you for a ride in it. Car just gets up and goes. It drives so nice and smoothly. It was so nicely restored. And I love the raw feeling of the BN1. It's just got a real old, genuine, classic sports car vibe to it. These cars are unusual. They have a reverse shift pattern right here, but they're so easy to drive, you know, it really just is nothing. You just, after a couple miles, you got it wired. This car shifts through the gears great. It also has the overdrive option here. Now we're going to head on to some bumpy Sonoma County roads. Anyway, everything in the car is just working great. The horns, the lights, the wipers, everything's just in good working order on the car. It was so nicely restored by a super reputable shop. More awful roads. California, where they rob us blind and make sure we never have good roads. Anyway, all right, thanks for checking out this cool BN1. If you need to get in touch, my number is somewhere down below. You can call or text me directly anytime. If you're seeing this on a third-party website, you should go check out my website at Left Coast Classics, because there's going to be a whole secondary set of photos, tons and tons of info over there. I can't fit it all on the third-party sites. And be sure to stick around for the rest of the video, because there's a lot more information ahead. Check us out on all the social media sites, and 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers so far. An old 57 Ford back in the Ed China days, a 72 Lancia Fulvia, this one right here, that was 2018, and then a really great one-owner Triumph TR4 that we did that aired at the end of 2020 on Motor Trend. Check all those episodes out, lots of fun. And for as far as my web channel goes, if you could hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that'll help us in the algorithms. And even when you're looking for just not looking for a car but want to take a ride in a different car all the time, it's a lot of fun that way. All right, thanks for checking out this BN1.
we're heading under. See how the fit and finish is all really nice as we get under here. Just beautiful under this car. Nice and dry and beautifully finished. All nice clean suspension components. Free rag, no charge. Look how nice and tidy everything is. I'm just gonna left this on the end, right? All right, so we're just gonna take a really light magnet and we'll go around the lower part of the car. Wow. I don't think there's any filler in here. Doesn't feel like it. Excellent. Let's go back to the quarter. All right, let's head to the other side. There it is.